Hey guys, it's Shilpa and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is all about how you can shave your eyebrows using razor at home. I have been using razor for my face for almost one and a half year, and I think it's the most painless method to get rid of your facial hair. If you're having an extremely sensitive skin, then please do a patch test. And I know sometimes getting your eyebrows done is a little hustle. And if all of a sudden you have to go to a party, then this technique would help you out. Also, it's very less time consuming. So if you guys want to know how we can do our eyebrows at home, then please keep on watching. The first thing you need is a face razor. So this is a face and eyebrow razor from a brand called Tinkle. So there are 3 razors in this packaging and retails for rupees 200. So I got this from Amazon. You can get these from anywhere, Flipkart, Nykaa, wherever you prefer. Talking about the razors, it's very important that the blades should be of a good quality, and this razor has a very zigzag kind of a pattern. So the second important thing you need is eyebrow pencil or any kind of a lip pencil to just outline your brows and having a guideline to shave your brows. Next up, we need aloe vera gel. So I particularly use aloe vera gel to smoothen out the surface around my eyebrows so that the razor glides on very well and it will create a barrier between my skin and the razor. So the aloe vera gel I am using is from the brand called The Face Shop. So next up, I will be needing some tissue paper to just clean the razor every time I shave. The last thing which we need is a spoolie to brush your brows. So starting with combing my eyebrows using spoolie so that my hair gets in one direction. I'm going to outline my eyebrows using eyebrow pencil or any lip pencil. So this pencil is mauve in color. You can use any color pencil. Basically, you just have to leave extra growth behind. So be careful with this step because this step will decide final look of your brows. Next up, I'm going to take some aloe vera gel and apply around my eyebrow area to smoothen out the surface. So for the upper part of my eyebrows, I will just move my razor in a downward motion. Take your time and do it, and also wipe off the razor side by side. I'm gonna move to the lower line of my eyebrows and again slowly removing the excess hair in the downward direction. Keep doing this step until all the extra growth is removed. I'm done with shaving eyebrows. I'm just gonna wipe it off with some cotton pad and micellar water and then again combing my brows using spoolie. So this is how my brows look, and they look more well defined and put together. So that's it for today's video. For more of such content, please subscribe to my channel and also click the bell icon next to it, and also give this video a huge thumbs up. You can also follow me on my Instagram. I'm super active there. Till then, bye.